नाज़रीन इकराम अस्सलामु अलैकुम। आपका हमारे चैनल TS इंडिया में इस्तकबाल है।
The entire program has been completed 3 hours earlier than previous year. We are still in the process of convincing the people to take out the idols from their places of worship, their colonies. A little earlier than they have got used to a very relaxed style, but this is causing hardship to the citizens on the following day. If you see, the traffic is all out today. It's a working day, but still a lot of idols are still coming in. We have finished the main immersion. All the traffic junctions are open for traffic. Whatever idols are left for immersion, about 1,000 are left. We have stacked them in the Necklace Road, which has enough place for storing them. And over the next 5-6 hours, we will be immersing them without causing any hindrance to the traffic. There is excellent effort by the police department. 25,000 police personnel have been on duty throughout the night, throughout the last 9 days. Then excellent cooperation and coordination has been there between the police and the other government departments like GHMC, HMDA, Revenue and Transco and everyone else. So we thank the government for this effort and we thank the public for having cooperated with us. They have listened to us. They have come out a little early in some areas. In some areas we need to persuade them in the future. Thank you everyone.
आपसे गुजारिश है चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। अल्लाह हाफिज़।